Hey guys, and welcome to day 7 of Camp Nano. So it is Saturday, April 7th, and this vlog is going to start off not writing because I do have a few things to do. We're going to take Pudge to go get a bath, so I'll take you guys on that adventure, and then I'll come back and write. I don't know if you could hear him, but he's really excited because we already told him that, can you stop? That we were going for a ride, so he's like pacing back and forth. So this is going to be a real quick intro. And after that, I'm going to come back. I did get some books at Barnes & Noble's that I want to share with you because I'm trying to do this more, I guess just clearing my headspace. And I also want to talk to you guys about the 100-day project. So when I come back from bathing the dog, we are going to talk about all those things. Alright, see you then. Bye. He can't even contain himself. He's so excited about just going for a ride. He has no idea he's going to get back though. He'll learn. Every time he gets in the car. So we're going to Pet Value. It's time for him to pick out his toy. I think he wants another bone, Jordan.
Yeah.
He's over here sniffing them up.
Which one do you want? Not one.
No rawhide. Dude, that thing's bigger than your face.
This one's nice.
He wants that one.
Which one do you want?
The one that's bigger than his little face.
What is this? Hickory smoked stick knuckle.
It's a what?
No. Looks like a hip. It's a hip bone.
From like a cow?
No.
No rawhide. No.
What do you want? You want that?
Deciding which bone he wants.
Hey.
Smalls,
What do you want?
figure your life out. You get a bone and a toy.
Also, these are choking.
Yeah, don't buy that. That's way too small. Get the knuckle. You seem like you like that.
This is a meaty bone.
What does that mean?
This is the sarge.
What is our dog doing?
You gotta pick one
That's what happens when you leave your business to the dog.
out. One.
He doesn't know. What does he want? Alright, let's see what toy he wants. Look at all these toy options. Pudgies, what kind of toy do you want this time? Nothing fluffy. Do you want tennis balls again? Your favorite? Get the little baby ones. Oh, I think you got one. You want the turtle, bud? He wants the turtle. He tried to grab it. His little face couldn't get it.
That's it.
Is that it?
That's it.
Daddy has your toys. You know how to carry them? You're not gonna be a good boy?
Okay. There's more here.
I love that he just has his little face and everything. Do you want a kitty sibling? You want to adopt a kitty? Car though. So we're teaching him how to carry his stuff to the car. That's not my car. And in he goes. We're in Big Lots looking at patio furniture because it's getting nice outside. And I really, really want to sit outside and read and write. So I have convinced my fiance that we need patio furniture. I think we're going to go with these chairs. And a round table. My favorite thing about when it gets warm is that I get to host parties and look at all these fun like serving things. Look at this yellow. Oh my god, I love it. I kind of really want this pineapple drink cup because I really like pineapples. And it's also the cover album of like one of my favorite bands. I don't know if you guys listen to Glass Animals, but that was like the theme of their concert. I got to see them in concert. I think that was in November. They were so great, but I really love this pineapple. People are staring at me because I'm recording in Big Lots. That's okay. Hey guys, so it's about almost 11:30 at night. I didn't get any writing done today. It was actually kind of busy. So after Big Lots, we came home and then Jordan put together our patio set. And then we had to go into Jersey for a suit fitting for the wedding. So I met up with my bridal party and we had them try on suits. We picked out the suits that they're going to be wearing for the ceremony. And then after that we went out to dinner. So that also took a couple hours, and then we just got home. My brother's actually staying over for the evening, so I'm not going to be writing at all today. But I hope you did enjoy the vlog of just like my today's adventures, and I hope that tomorrow will be a better day for writing. And tomorrow I will definitely tell you guys about the 100-day project and what I'm going to be doing for that, as well as my game plan for the rest of the week as my writing goes. So I'm going to end this vlog for today, and I just hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.